Welcome to the assembly guide for Unik manufacturing by Funride. Box include main body, front wheel complete, handle, footrest, seat, flute pipe, movement wire, axle, rear wheels, parental handle pipe, blowing handle, wheels cap, water bottle, headrest, complete hand rest, water bottle holder, rear wheel mudguard. Hardware. Attach the rear wheel mudguard to the main body using a nut and bolt. Insert the axle into the wheel. Attach the wheels to the main body by pressing the button on the frame, both sides. Cover both wheels with the wheel covers. Insert the front fork into the main body. Insert the handle into the fork as shown. Secure the handle in the fork by tightening the handle lock. Insert the flute pipe as shown. Attach the flute pipe ring with the help of a screw. Secure the movement wire in the fork. Adjust the rear end of the movement wire with a nit. Attach the footrest as shown and tighten it with a nut and bolt. Place the seat onto the frame. Secure the seat using a nut. Align the hole of headrest with headrest frame hole. Fix headrest using nut bolt. Insert headrest into the main frame, lock it with lock button. Fix water bottle holder using screws. Place the water bottle on the rear side of the bottle holder. Secure blowing handle to the parental pipe using nut bolt. insert the parental pipe into the flute pipe. Tighten the parental pipe with a bolt.